Hey fam, it's your boy Pop Pop. Just a quick note, having been there, done that. During an ice storm, if you hear your heat pump clunking and thunking, it means that the blades on the fan have got ice on them and it's out of balance, and it will sit there and tear itself apart. So if you hear your heat pump clunking and thunking, you're going to either have to turn it off and go out there and try and defrost the unit, which isn't going to work in the middle of a storm. So your only alternative is you go to the control box on the thermostat on the wall, and you flip it over to emergency, and it will heat your house off of the electric grid that's down in the basement, okay? It's going to be a lot more expensive, but it's better than tearing your heat pump apart and having to replace your heat pump. So if you hear clunking and thumping and the house isn't getting warm, it means your heat pump is frozen up and it'll just sit there and tear itself apart. So you go over to the thermostat, you switch it over to emergency, and usually the light will turn blue or it'll turn red. And what that does is it cuts off the heat pump outside, and it uses the coil heat, which is down in the basement. It's a lot more expensive, but like I said, you won't have the cost of replacing your heat pump.